to Kid Ventures. My name is Miss Luz, and this is Elisa, my daughter. Remember her?
Yeah.
Today we're going to be back with you, and we're going to be creating such a fun activity with you guys. This week, our theme is what can you do in the garden? There's a lot of stuff we can do in the garden, right? Our favorite thing to do is go outside and look at all the birds. So for this special activity, we are going to be creating a fun bird feeder. So Elisa already took out everything from her bag, and so did I. This is a baggie that you get at home. It has a stick, a big popsicle stick. It has a long purple string, right? Is this purple?
No, it's
No,
green.
I'm kidding. It is green. Did I trick you guys? And we have some bird seeds in here. We each got our own baggies. What you're going to need at home is some peanut butter. If you are allergic to peanut butter, you can use sun butter. You can use maybe some honey. Anything that you have at home that's kind of sticky.
Oh, Mom, but
Yes.
honey will attract the bees, not the birds.
That's true. Maybe not honey, right? Maybe we're going to stick to peanut butter. Maybe you can find something, a great alternative for peanut butter. And something else that you're going to need is either a big napkin roll or
Two small ones.
two little small toilet paper rolls.
Yeah.
We're going to use the small toilet paper rolls because we don't need to cut. But if you have a big napkin roll at home, you can use the whole thing, or you can cut it in half if you have a brother and sister and they want to make their own too. What we're going to do is we're going to take our handy dandy big popsicle sticks, and we are going to put our two fingers into the little toilet paper roll like this, so you don't have to touch it when you're putting the peanut butter. And then we're going to lightly put peanut butter in it, kind of like you're making a sandwich, right? Ooh, parents, this can help our kids make their own sandwich. Just kidding. But it is really good practice for eye-hand coordination. They get to put it into here. We don't have that much peanut butter, but that's okay. So I'm going to let Elisa go first. She's going to put her little stick in there and grab as much peanut butter as she likes. And this is the fun part about this. You can either put the peanut butter all over the place, or you can create a fun pattern. That's what Miss Luz is going to do. I think I'm going to create little small patterns. So I'm going to take my little peanut butter, and I'm just going to scoop it up like this. Do you guys see the little peanut butter trails that I'm making? Going to make one trail. Oh, I know. Kind of blends in with the toilet paper roll, right? Let me kind of put it closer. Do you see my peanut butter?
Look at mine.
She's doing some fun stuff on her side too. All you're going to do is you're going to decorate it. Just like this. Alrighty? And then,
I might need some more.
oh, you're going to do some more? Oh, I'm going to do one more scoop in here too. Da-da-da. You are going to just peanut butter it up. This is a fun one because we forgot to use our little, what is it called?
String.
Yes, oh man, I'm forgetting all the words already. We forgot to use our string. But because we live upstairs and we have a balcony, what we're going to do is we're going to take it outside and we're just going to kind of lay it out, because our balcony has little steps for our birds to come and feed on them. But if you don't have anything like that at home, you can definitely, let's cut it up, take your string, and you're going to put it right through the middle of your toilet paper or napkin roll. And then it kind of creates a little swing, you can call it, so that you can hang your bird feeder up, just like this.
What are we going to do with this?
This is a really long string. You can cut it if you
Yeah.
like. But your peanut butter can go on there. And now, I think that's a good peanut butter. Look, Elisa got her peanut butter. She spread it all around. Let me move this to the side. Now, you can either take your bird seeds, put them all on your plate, so we don't get them all over the table, or you can sprinkle it on. What are you gonna do?
I will sprinkle it on. Oh, wow.
You see this, silly girl. Remember, friends, when you want to sprinkle it on, you want to lay it down. Because if you sprinkle it on while it's standing up, the bird seeds are just going to go down the middle. We are going to take it. She's sprinkling it on. Me too. I'm going to sprinkle it on right here.
It's like sprinkles.
This is a good activity that we can also do outside in the garden or in the grass. What do you guys think about that? That would be fun, right?
If we have the extra bird seeds, can we put them outside?
Of course. If you guys have any extra bird seeds, like Elisa's asking, we can definitely put them outside so that all the other birds can have a little snack too. Or once you see all the birds have eaten the seeds on yours, you can definitely refill them. So this is what mine looks like. Remember, I said I was going to do little patterns. I did empty peanut butter seeds, empty peanut butter seeds, empty peanut butter and seeds. That's right. Remember, we were learning patterns at school as well. Don't forget to keep practicing those. There we go. Now, Miss Liz is all done with hers. So I get to go outside and put mine outside in the balcony. Ooh, do you guys see how Elisa's is turning out? Hers is all around seeds. And you can even, look, we're going to show you. You can even take it and kind of roll it.
Yeah, and then get more seeds.
So it can be easier and you can get more seeds. And then you need to shake it off to lose all those extra seeds. And then you can put it outside. And even though you already have seeds on them, with our 2 fingers, we can still put our string through there. Put it on your plate, and then tie it all up. How does that sound, guys? And then you can sit on your window. You can sit outside in the garden. You can put it next to your window where you can see the garden from your window. And then you can see all the birds, yum, 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 eating up all the delicious bird seeds.
Mom, I'm going to use the plate so we can see the birds go on the plate and eat it.
Ooh, she got a good idea as well. She's going to leave all her bird seeds that she had on her plate that she sprinkled on, the extras. She's going to put her toilet paper roll like this with peanut butter and seeds. And she's just going to go outside and sit it down on our balcony, on our tables outside, so that she can watch the birds stop by the plate and they can eat nice and quietly there.
Oh, and
you
also,
guys can show us what you want to do, right? They can send us pictures. You can totally post pictures. Or you can even send us a video of how you decorated yours and where you put it at home. Alrighty, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.